Hello and welcome back, and today I'm going to see if I can get this to run. Now this is a Triang 4.0, they're pretty common, and this one I got, it didn't work. I tried to fix it and we broke something, so I couldn't send it back, and ever since then it's not been running. Recently I started getting it to hum, but it won't move. So yeah, the body needs repainting. I think I might make another video on that, but in this video I'm going to be restoring the chassis. Now I need to put new coupling rods on there. I've bought some new coupling rods, and I've bought a new set of screws for this side. I bought a new neo magnet and brushes because one of the old brushes snapped at the top, and I thought it'd be better to get a pair instead of getting just one new one, and I couldn't find one on its own anywhere anyway. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, what I would like to do is take out the neo magnet and replace that with this new one here, and I'll show you how to do that. But first of all I need to disassemble it, so I'll get back with you when I've done that. Now I've got the motor itself out, and I've taken out the well, I guess you could call it a bolt that's holding it in. So now the magnet comes out. It's not very strong at all, really. So now I need to put this new one in. Now the way I'm going to do that is with a compass. I've got to find the side, well, that tracks the north bit. So, oops, the top. So this bit, this is the way up it goes, and so I've heard these things are really strong. So there, it's in. Now I'll reassemble this, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Now I've got the neo magnet in, and I've put this in here, the spring. Now I'm going to put the insulator, I think it's called, on one side here, and the next thing to do is to put in my new brushes. These arrived today, and yeah, so I'll put them in and I'll show you when I'm done. Now last time you saw me, I was putting on the brushes, but I have actually gone ahead and put all the motor back together, because it was a little tricky due to a repair I made to a part there. So I didn't want to put the entire thing in the video. So yeah, now we're on to putting on the new coupling rods, and first of all I'll unscrew the screws that are in at the moment. Well, I can untighten them with my finger. I knew I'd be taking them back out again to fit the coupling rods so they're not too tight. Just enough to hold them in, stop them from falling out. And I'll line up the wheels first. I'll just show you me doing one. So I've taken out the old coupling rods already. Well, one of them snapped, so here's one of the older ones. The new ones are a lot better, I think. They look a lot nicer. I'll put the screws in. Now, the coupling rods have been fitted and it's all ready to run. I've got the controller wired up and that's the moment of truth. Let's go. Put it on. It's on. It wants to go. I think I'll give the wheels a bit of a clean and we'll try again. Attempt 2, and I've cleaned the wheels. I've tweaked a couple of things, such as the coupling rods. The wheels aren't perfectly clean. I can't get them perfect. They're just too dirty. I'll have to have another go some other time. But just give it a nudge. It does run. Let it go. Yeah, as I said, the wheels are still very dirty. It runs. Come on. Yeah, so there still needs to be a lot of cleaning on the wheels, but it does run, as you saw there. It's a little stuttery. Whoops. Just ran off there. So the engine runs, and well, yeah, the next job will be to paint the body. Whilst recording and editing the video, I started painting the body. I wasn't sure whether to make a video about it, put it in this video, or even to just not make a video of it. Wasn't even sure what to paint it in. But I started painting it brown, and this is what I ended up with. So I've picked out the details in white, which is the handrails, smoke box dart, and so on. The whistle, I've put that back in. I took it out whilst I was stripping the old paint off. I've put some decals on it, NCB. I did mess up a little bit, so I had to go over with a bit of yellow paint. It is a bit too bright, and I might have another go in the future and putting some more decals on. But for now, I'm happy with it. So, yeah. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.